the square root of 576,800 is between, and then our answer choices are a bunch of ranges. So normally if I was trying to get the value of this square root or an approximation of that value, what I would do is I would try to break this down, and I would try to extract as many perfect squares from here as I could. So for example, I could say I know that there is a 100 in here because I got these two zeros at the end. And so I could say the square root of 576,800 should be equal to the square root of 100 times the square root of 5,768. And so this is just equal to, so the square root of 100 is 10 times the square root of 5,768. But then here I would start running in two problems because it's much harder to extract perfect squares from here. And so I might have to break this down into its prime factors, which could take a long time. So I don't want to do that. And so if I look at the answer choices here, I think there might be an easier approach here because all my answer choices I see have these lagging zeros, these trailing zeros at the end, which means it should be easy to square all of these ranges, which is a good thing because if, say, I know I got some number x and I know the square root of x is between 3 and 5. So if I want to know what my possible value, my range for x is, I can just square everything here. And so I would know x has got to be between 9 and 25. So I can do the same thing for all of my ranges here to find out which one of them contains my x, which in this case is 576,800. So for A, my range is going to be, so 300 squared is just going to be 99 with 4 zeros, 90,000 through 16, 4 zeros, 160,000. So it doesn't contain my guy here. B's, so it's going to be 160,000, which I got from here. And so my range is 160,000 to 250,000. Doesn't contain my guy. C is going to be 250,000 to 360,000. D is going to be 360,000 to 490,000, which is still doesn't include our guy. So the answer choice is going to have to be E. Let's confirm that. So our range for E is going to be 490,000 through 640,000. And our guy looks to be right in the middle of that. So E.